match in 3, 2, 1. You got Mustang 4 coming to green cube. 15-day Maximus pushing the red cube off of the post. Mustang 4 attempting to grab another cube to score. Maximus looking like they want to get another red off the post. 35 seconds to switch drivers. Alright. We have Mustang 4 grabbing some green cubes. Maximus pushing another red off of that post. Mustang 4 putting a green cube into that goal. As we get down to the last 15 seconds, we'll see if teams go for any last 2 points. Looks like Maximus is pulling off the low zone card. Let's see if Mustang 4 can do the same. Looks like they got it.
Yeah,